awkward. It's very small. There's no storage, and so today we're going to be adding storage. We bought an Ikea cabinet, and it was pretty easy to build, but now we're going to install it onto this lovely wall. Yeah, let's get started.
That did it?
If you would have met Ryan,
Easy.
if you would have met Ryan about 7 years ago,
I would never not look at
he
the
would
instructions.
religiously read the instructions.
See, I've read so many instructions. I'm a professional instructor.
He would almost have a panic attack if I didn't read the instructions.
Look how much better we are at everything.
He's taken on some of my traits, and I've taken on his traits, which is so funny.
You think you can push these in?
I don't know. Should I? I want enough to be able to hold both the detergent at the bottom.
Sounds good.
Yeah, the little wash side. What are you doing smelling my hand?
Oh, I try to give it to you so you could just pull it right in.
Oh, sorry.
Here.
They cut it to where.
The nubs on the front ones.
Oh, weird. The front ones are all.
I see the little nubbies.
Uh-huh. There we go.
Looks great.
It's really good. A little close action.
I was like, are you keeping all my toys in here?
Is this one open? She looks good. Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you ready?
I'm good, yeah.
Sorry.
Hey, hi. Okay, cool. We can let go. Looks great. Oh, so
Wow. Wow, looks good.
fills up some of the room. I feel like this
Oh
is
my-
forward.
Maybe because of me. And it's not centered. Wow.
2.5.
2.5 then, huh?
Then let's go on this side.
Wow, babe, she looks good.
Cool. Cool, buddy.
My gosh, it looks so good.
Alright, let's put this in there.
Look at that soft shot. you like it?
I love it. It's exactly what we need. Oh, precision.
Oh yeah. We have these available, so we're gonna use these. We use them in the kitchen for 2 of the cabinets, but he's gonna cut down the screws.
Yeah.
You have the drill bit right there. If you know that.
Booyah.